if you're looking to implement KPIs, first you have to sit there and go, okay, how much is your product? $60. Okay. So if I have a $60 product, what's my profit on it? You have no fucking clue, do you? No. Okay, sick. All right. So let's say it's $30. Let's just be conservative, okay? I know that my profit's $30. If I want to find my conversion rate, I need 100 people to hit my page. Okay, so 100 visitors. How many out of those 100 do I want to convert? That depends on my cost per click. So let's say I had a cost per click of $1. Okay? $1 means that I'm paying $100 for these visitors. To get $30 on profit, I have to get 3% of these people to buy. To make up for the $100, to be at least break even. So now I need 5% probably. Because then, what would I get? 5 times 30 is what? Okay, 150. You almost got me there. Okay, 150, and I spent $100. So now, my ROAS is a 1.5 ROAS. As you scale, is that sustainable? No. It will drop because that's a front-end product. Does that require a service or just a product? Okay, it's a product. So now we have to increase this ROAS, and that's kind of the same situation she's in. She's around a 1.5. So we have to sit there and go, okay, upsells, cross-sells. Okay, because if I'm getting $1 a click already, that's pretty damn good for e-com. Yeah. So now I got to implement upsells and cross-sells, more traffic sources to make sure that I'm retargeting. Okay? Maybe my retargeting's not on point. That retargeting should be 20%. So what's 20% of 150? Someone do the math for me real quick. What's 20% of 150? 30? Okay, sick. So 30 means that now what? I get $30 extra. I can add that to my ROAS. If I'm able to have better retargeting, now I can have a 1.8x ROAS just by having better retargeting. Lifting the numbers for scale, because as she scales, or as you scale, your ROAS will drop. Okay? The what? Average, I mean, that's not important right now. Yeah. Yeah, that, I mean, if your conversion rate was an issue, then I would look at that number. But every KPI would dictate another. I just want you to understand the basics of KPIs, how each one. Average view duration, dude, we don't have to sit down for hours. But that is something where if I'm increasing retargeting, or maybe my upsells and cross-sells get taken about extra 20%, 1/5 is another. Now I'm at like a 2.1x. And then what else? I have email over 7 days, and I get them to activate to cover my CAC. If my CAC is $40 on a 58 like hers, that's 0.7x. If I'm able to retain that, now I'm at a 2.8x. Because I'm able to retain that CAC because my email list was able to pump. You get it? You're staring off into space. You got it? Okay. All right. Let's fucking dial this in. All right.
I have a question about my situation.
Yeah.
So if I was scaling and I was increasing my ad spend to grow, what would be a key metrics that I could follow to make sure that I'm having an increase while all of this is changing?
Yes. So one is going to be, obviously your ROAS is important, but you're going to want to look at your CAC as you scale spend. You're going to look at your average order value. You're going to look at your lifetime value, 30 days. And then you're going to look at email revenue per subscriber. So you got your ROAS, you got your cost to get a customer, your AOV, your lifetime value, and your revenue per subscriber. And then also what you're going to track is, because as you scale, you're going to build a better relationship with your supplier. So now your COGS. What's my COGS per order? Okay, what's my shipping? How can I get that down? Because if you're able to get them to take more upsells and cross-sells, you're putting all the shit in one order. So now you can decrease that cost on shipping or even give it away for free to increase conversion rate on the checkout. And then we have COGS. Maybe your cost to buy the blanket's 18. Maybe when you negotiate and make a $50,000 order, now it's 12.